Hi friends, I am Himanshu Shrimal, ex-Chief Engineer, Maharashtra PWD and presently working with Dhruv Consultancy Services. In our last video, we had shared the causes of accidents and its effects. Sometimes the accidents are so mysterious that we are unable to understand what may be the cause, whether it was the fault of driver or the victim. The most important thing while designing a road or when you are driving a car is the safety. Safe roads and safety, they both are synonymous. The important things which are to be followed in safety are 4 E's, that is education, enforcement, engineering and emergency care. Now what you mean by education? Education means a person who is knowledgeable about safety rules, who is knowledgeable about the traffic rules. This is education. Now the question is when the education should start. Actually, it should start during the childhood itself. When a child starts walking or when he starts crossing the road, he should be able to understand what are the rules. When he is to cross the road, how he should obey the signals. When he grows up, in that case, he has to drive a bike or a four-wheeler. What rules are to be followed? He has to learn a lot and he has to follow those rules. So this is education. What is enforcement? Whether he is following these rules or not. And the agency which is responsible to take care of this is police department and transport department. One has to obey the rules or you will be penalized. Third is engineering. So what is engineering? Engineering means there are 2 different faculties of engineering. One responsible for the vehicle, safe vehicles, and second is responsible for construction of safe roads. Now safe vehicles means what? A vehicle which is having a seat belt, yes, it is safe vehicle. A vehicle which is having airbags, it is safe vehicle. A vehicle which is having anti-braking system, it is a safe vehicle. So, a manufacturing company should manufacture vehicles which are safe. These are safe vehicles. And what about safety of civil engineering? What parameters are to be looked for when you are designing a road, when you are designing safer roads? So, the first and foremost thing when you design a road is, even if a person or a driver or a pedestrian, which you call vulnerable road user, if he makes a mistake, still your road should be so safe that he should not meet with an accident. So, safer roads is the responsibility of civil engineer. We into Dhruv Consultancy, we look after this thing. And third and final is emergency care. What is emergency care? When a person meets with an accident, he has to be taken to a hospital. So, as a responsible citizen, it is your duty when you see a victim, he has to be taken to the nearest hospital. Government has changed the rules. Nobody will ask you inconvenient questions. You have to take him to the hospital in the first hour, that is golden hour. So, taking a victim to the hospital is your responsibility, your social responsibility. Friends, in the upcoming vlogs, we will be taking you to different types of accidents, its causes, and the precautions you need to take to avoid such situations. Let us know if you found this vlog to be informative and valuable with the comments below. Take care and see you soon.